everybody, welcome back to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan and today we'll be tackling Leetcode 202, happy number. The problem says, given a positive integer, repeatedly replace it with the sum of the square of its digits until it either equals 1, in which case we return true, or it loops endlessly in a cycle, in which case we return false. For example, 19 is a happy number because we repeatedly replace it by the sum of the square of its digits and finally it equals 1. Square its digits of 19, 1 square and 9 square, we sum it up become 82. Then square its digit of 82, 8 square, 2 square and sum them up become 68. Square its digits of 68 and sum them up, 6 square plus 8 square equal 100. Square its digits of 100. 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square equal 1. Number 20 is not a happy number because at some point the number 20 repeat again. This means it will cycle forever without reaching 1. Square its digits of 20 and sum them up equal 4. Square its digits of 4 and sum them up equal 16. Square its digits of 16 and sum them up equal 37. Square its digit of 37 and sum them up equal 58. Square its digit of 58 and sum them up equal 89. Square its digit of 89 and sum them up equal 145. Square its digit of 145 and sum them up equal 42. Square its digit of 42 and sum them up equal 20. We back at 20 again. That means it cycles forever, so 20 is not a happy number. The challenge here is, how do we know that a value was seen before? The idea is simple. We keep a set called scene and repeatedly put the current sum of square of its digits into scene if that sum is not there. If that sum is there, we return false. If the current sum equals 1, then we return true. Let's dive right into the code. First, create set scene. As long as n greater than 1, do the following steps. If the current sum is in scene, we return false. Else, add the new sum into scene. Now, compute the new sum for the next iteration. For each digit in string n, convert it to integer and square it. Sum them up, update n with that new sum. Repeat until n either is in scene, in which case we return false, or n equal 1, in which case we return true. Alright, it's time to smart a submit button. Boom, accepted. The time complexity of this solution is big O of d times k, where k is a number of iterations bounded by a constant. It never grows with n. D equals number of digits of n. Or, let's calculate d. Let's take a look. In other words, if n has d digits, then it lies between equivalently. So in general, the algorithm runs in big O of log n time. Space complexity is also big O of log n as well, since we use a set to keep track of scene numbers. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out the playlist for more Leetcode problem explained simply and clearly. I'm Alan and this was Leetcode Simplified. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.